All right. So, Salim, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Good, good. All right. Thanks for your time for interview today.
Sure, no
And
problem.
yeah, I hope yeah, you're doing well these days. And today I wanted to ask you some questions about your journey and about yourself and how you changed before and after GTS and so on. So I have prepared some questions to ask you. So first, could you introduce about yourself, like where you're from and what you're doing and so on, please?
Mm. I'm Salin from Singapore, and last year I quit my job because I did not enjoy my corporate job fresh out of university, and I wasn't fond of Singapore's working culture, and I wanted freedom, and I wanted to make money on my own terms. So I tried out some forms of entrepreneurship, and I decided on trading because of the access to the global financial markets. So I'm not limited by the small domestic markets.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So you quit a job and now you're trading full time.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And so far, how's your journey? I mean, after you quit your job, did you feel any like how do you say, like psychology change after quit your job? How was it? How was the journey so far?
It's definitely been very once you lose a steady paycheck, then you start the uncertainty starts to creep in, and don't know what's next in store. But I guess that's part of a journey of entrepreneurship and starting your own business. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. You're all alone, and
Yeah.
you have to decide everything on your own, right? After you finish your job, right?
Yeah.
That's exactly how I felt also when I started trading full time, and there it's such a lonely journey actually.
Yes, it is. It is.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much. So second question is, what motivated you to join GTS class this time?
Well, when deciding what to trade, I decided on Forex because of the markets are open 24 hours, 5 times a day. And on the subreddit r/Forex, some people were discussing what are the good trading educators. And some people mentioned Ichimoku and Forex K. So I went to YouTube, then I searched Forex K, then I binged on their videos. Yeah, so I was very intrigued by your approach because it's overall it's simple, but at the same time it's also deep. And your approach to trading is very holistic, I would say. It doesn't just focus on strategy. I mean, of course, everyone talks about strategy, but you also focus on psychology, efficiency of time, also a bit of philosophy like less is more, which really resonated with me. Yeah, so I actually joined KTS for a few months and I enjoyed it very much. But I had like self-doubt. I wasn't sure about the process. And I also felt quite lonely because backtesting alone and not sure what to do next. So I wanted to take my understanding to the next level. So I decided to join GTS.
Sure, sure. Yeah, on YouTube or even KTS Academy membership, it's like one-way lecture. So I share, especially KTS Academy, I share more details about my strategy, but still it's one way. So yeah, I'm glad that you joined GTS class for the previous session so that we can communicate one-on-one like this, and we meet up every Sundays to really focus on my strategy step by step. So I'm sure it was a big journey for you and big decision to join GTS for you at the same time.
Yep, definitely.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Just out of curiosity, have you ever joined some other courses before you joined GTS?
Never.
Never. Okay.
Yeah.
So it was like totally new, like experience for you to join some course and learn trading.
Yeah, totally new.
Okay, okay, all right. Thank you very much. Okay, and the next question I would like to ask you is, what was the most important thing that you learned at the GTS class?
It was reflecting on my psychology after the trades. I think that was the most important, the missing puzzle piece. it's super important because it helps you to pay attention to my psychology, especially after losses, because the psychology can really destroy you because you will be tempted to revenge trade or do something stupid after that.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. Yeah, psychology is the most important, I think. And risk management is also important. But on top will be the psychology. I think that's the most important. So, so how did you change before and after GTS regarding psychology or strategy or routine or any kind of topics or criteria? Like how did you feel you changed before and after GTS?
Before GTS, I had a lot of self-doubt, whether it's demo trading or backtesting. I always doubt myself whenever I take trades. And after GTS, I have a lot less self-doubt. I'm very confident with every trade, every time I enter or exit. And I can enter or exit trades without stress. And even when I take a loss, like yesterday, I just took a small loss, but I didn't feel much because I learned how to rein in my psychology. And like for example, in February, I demo traded, and I had a decent profit factor, almost 3. But when I started to live trade for the first time with real money, then the emotions really affected me. So for March, I only ended up with break even. But I think I think for the first time, break even is considered good for live trading. And if not for GTS, if not for GTS, I'll probably have lost big.
That's right. Break even is already great because almost 90%, 80 to 90% of traders lose over time. So if you have been break even, then there must be some breakthrough at the end, and you will start to run profits every month and every year for sure. So you said you had a loss yesterday on the month of April. How have you been doing so far in the month of April? Do you have like a spreadsheet that you can share?
Share it?
Yeah, please. Just press the share screen button and share, if you can share the spreadsheet.
So for April,
I can see now. Right. Okay. Right. Oh, so this is great. You get the PF, profit factor 6.12, which is great. And you get 5 trades so far in the month of April. And you get the win rate of 60%, which is also very high for my strategy. And PF 6.12 is great. So you get the winners in one break even and 1 loss. So this is great. This is great. If you keep trading in this manner, then you will be running profits for sure in the long term. And you have been taking all the screenshots of the entry and exits.
Definitely.
That's also important. So keep that, and so that you can look back your journey, look back your trades, and sometimes you realize the importance of the lessons based on your own trades in the past. So great. So you started with $98.72, and now it's a $10 $2 to $7. So it's great. So how do you feel so far in the month of April?
Quite happy.
You got some nice trends on AUD franc on the 4th of April. You got 35 and 49 pips profit. And the pound USD on the 12th of April, you got 38 and 37 pips of profit. So it's great. And in terms of the loss, it's really small. The drawdown was only 0.34% times 2. So this is much less than 1% drawdown, which is quite small yesterday. So I can really see that you are controlling psychology, and you just exit with the loss very, very quickly like this. And you try to, after break even, you simply follow the trends, right? And trial profits. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, looks like the month of April has been active in Forex markets.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, let's see if we can find more opportunities to trade this month.
Hopefully.
Yeah, but so far, you know, in the month of April, you took 5 trades. But before joining GTS, how many trades did you used to take? Like every month, do you remember?
Yeah, I think I took like 13 to 15 trades. 1 3 1 3 1 5. 13
Oh,
and
1 3
15.
5.
Yeah.
Okay. Still not too much. But looks like now you're having more selective
Yes.
in trading.
A lot more. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's good. You're being like a sniper to exactly which market to trade so far. Okay, yeah, that's good. Thank you for sharing this.
Thanks.
Yeah, and by the end of the month, April, please share this again. And
Sure.
we discuss one-on-one again in the month of May sometime.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
That's good.
Good. Yeah, thanks so much for sharing that. So yeah, so my last question would be, if you meet someone new to trading, and now that you finished the GTS class, and you have been non-losing trader now to profitable trader now, so what would you advise to like newbie traders?
I would say don't try to be too creative or innovate things too early on. Just follow and focus on executing without any like major modifications. And after you have some success, you can just start to make some tweaks to suit your style. Yeah, and of course, backtesting is super important. You need to backtest a lot, and if you rely on only paper trading or demo trading, I feel that it takes too long to find your mistakes and correct them to improve. And by backtesting, you spot these mistakes a lot faster and also improve a lot faster.
That's really true. Yeah, I know you backtest a lot.
Yeah.
So yeah, even during the GTS class, you have been backtesting so much. Even before GTS, right? You have been backtesting so much and trying to improve the PF. So yeah, it's amazing that yeah, and this is something that almost, you know, all the traders, newbie especially, do not know about backtesting and how to do it. But this is really critical to me also. Yeah, if I didn't backtest myself, then my journey would be much longer to become a non-losing trader for sure. Yeah, thank you very much for your time today. And yeah, it was very nice talking to you and catch up like this. So we'll keep in touch. And yeah, good luck on your trades in the month of April. And yeah, hope to see you again soon in the month of May again to catch up.
Yeah, hope to see you again soon. And thanks so much for the guidance.
Yeah, thank you very much, Salin. So you have a great day. Thank you.
You too. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. All right, thank you.